Guys, to hashtag askzenler, hashtag zenlerhowtos. Okay, so what I want to do in this quick lecture is just to show you how you can download a little app for Chrome in order to view the sort of layout of a web page, and it'll give you an idea of the blocks, the columns, the way that it's all been set out. So if we go into our Chrome apps by just clicking the extension thing here, manage extensions, and come down here on the right hand side, open the Chrome web store, and we're going to search for Wireframe. Okay, that's going to throw up this wireframe, so we can add this to Chrome. We can just hit this or page to wireframe, but I think this one will do the job. Let me just add extension. So wireframe has been added, the extensions, by clicking this icon. So let's go back to this and let's just flick and click that icon. Here we go, and show wireframes. So here we go. So this is really handy because it shows us the elements and how things are broken up within a web page. So if you're looking at example Zenler sites, you can see just what they've done. They've centered things, they've put a row in here or a block in here, they've got padding down here, and it gives you a very visual way of seeing how the page has been built. As you can see here, it's given us 3 columns, and we've got one continuous row with all the blocks and the elements inside. So this is a little tip if you want to install Wireframe so that you can check how the layout of your pages or other people's pages is done. Remember, this doesn't just work for Zenler, this works for all sorts of sites. So check it out, and hopefully it helps you guys. It's called Wireframe.